Welcome to Funny Reverse, where science doesn't just explode, it unexplodes. Today, we're rewinding an epic set of 5 fun experiments from 5-Minute Magic, and the results? Surprising, satisfying, and super fun. Let's dive in reverse order. First up, the DIY compass trick, reversed. What was once a clever survival tool is now a relaxing rewind. The magnet floats off the needle. The pin lifts out of the leaf. The bowl of water goes still again. It's a peaceful unbuilding of science, like time is politely stepping backward. Next, the kinetic sand experiment, undone. In forward motion, it molds smoothly, cuts perfectly, and satisfies every time. But here in reverse, the sand unmolds itself. It lifts away from shape and slides gently back into a pile of soft grains. It's sculpture, undone with style. Now comes the fire you can touch. Usually, this jaw-dropping trick shows you holding flames safely in your hand. But in reverse, the flame leaps off your fingers. The hand dries itself. The water settles. It's science fiction in real life, but soothing, not shocking. Rewinding even further, the dry ice fog trick. Normally, you see clouds of vapor flooding a surface. Here in reverse, the smoke flows backwards, sucked back into the bowl. The fog unfogs. The magic inhales. It's like the air is whispering, "Never mind." And finally, the salt and pepper static trick. At first, static separates pepper from salt, magic with a comb. But in reverse, the pepper pieces float gently back down. The salt and pepper remix. The magic retreats. It's calming, graceful, and just a bit funny to watch. These experiments show that science doesn't just amaze us in real time, it hypnotizes us in rewind too. A huge thank you to 5Minute Magic for the original video. Clapperboard watch the full version here, https://youtube.be/0b8fa7z8cjc. And subscribe to their channel for more science fun. At Funny Reverse, we take viral moments, twist time backward, and rediscover the magic. Hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell, because the best moments sometimes happen in reverse.
enter into my blood, run with my tide.